Welcome guys, welcome back to Vastranand. Well, today I'm double excited because the fabric that I'm going to show you is going to be very fantastic. Look at the pleats, they sit so well, they sit so beautifully. Also, not just the fabric but the entire weaving is going to be very beautiful. But before I show you all the colors of this catalog, I want you all to subscribe to the channel, like our video, share our videos, and obviously get your shopping started with Vastranand. So this is me, Rachna. Let us now first quickly begin with today's catalog. Showing you the very first color, which is going to be this lovely wine shade. I feel wine is very, wine color is very much popular these days. So I'll just show you the border from close first and then we'll open the saree up. This is going to be the border. It is going to be entirely zari woven. Beautiful zari weaving. The design is absolutely perfect. Now as you move up, you'll find such patches. Now this is also going to be zari weaving. Apart from the patches, you'll find negative color weaving over here throughout the sari. I hope that's visible to you guys. Now apart from this, here's going to be your top border, which is going to be same as the bottom border. Now let's quickly open this up. Well, the fabric is absolutely stunning. I love it. It's so lightweight. I literally don't feel it, and the look is so perfect for weddings. So now imagine at any wedding, at any reception, or at any festivity, you're wearing such a lovely sari which looks so heavy because of the zari work. Imagine you feel equally comfortable, which is not easily found in all the designs. So feeling comfortable, feeling stylish, and feeling royal at the same time in one saree is a very, very big deal. And also, let me tell you, it is going to be a very affordable saree. Quickly download our application Vastranand and have a look at the price of this saree. It's very pocket friendly. So let us talk less, and here comes wine color sari for you. Look at the zari weaving. It is going to be golden zari weaving over here. I love the design in the pallu. Pallu looks so attractive. Now as we move ahead, here comes the patches that I showed you already, right? So this is going to be entirely zari woven sari in gold. Gold looks good with almost any color. Every color gold looks good. So here comes wine and golden combination for you, and in this you'll be getting a heavy blouse material. Let me show it to you. So here comes your heavy blouse material. Lovely, just filled with so much of gold over here. Let us move ahead with another color. I guess I should show the one that I'm wearing because this is absolutely lovely color. It is gonna be red with gold. I guess this is one of the universal combinations. Red and gold looks so gorgeous. Let me quickly show you the pallu first on the sari that I'm wearing. So this is how it is gonna look. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? The shine, the golds, the reds together, very beautiful. Now this is the red color that I just showed you. Let me show you the third color of this catalog, which is blue. So this is going to be the third color. Let's open this up. So you're going to find almost many color options in this catalog. You know, there are customers of ours who want to see different colors, more color options in catalogs because they love the design, but they are not completely satisfied with the color options. So that's why we try to bring around 6 colors, around 12 colors in one catalog. Yes, we do have 12 colors in one catalog available. So go see all the previous videos of our channel and also have a look at our application and go through all the sarees. So here comes blue with gold. Here's your pallu. Moving ahead, here comes the weaving. The negative color weaving that you have on the fabric, that's also really pretty, which is not really clearly visible. You need to have a very closer look. So this is the negative color weaving that you also have in the sari. Moving ahead, the heavy blouse. Okay, here again This is the blouse. Well, now if you see how much fabric you're getting for the blouse purpose, guys, this is very enough for you to, stitch a sleeveless blouse or maybe a elbow length blouse. The fabric is enough. All right. Now, moving on to the next color, which is going to be this lovely kesari shade over here. Let's open this one up. So in this catalog, you'll find not just dark colors, but you will find brighter and, popping colors as well. So here's your kesari and gold pallu. Look at the color combination. This looks really pretty. This color especially, it would look great in morning functions as well. Here it is. And now, also, to everyone who are watching our video for the first time, we deal in not only retail but wholesale orders as well. Now this is very important, which means yes, we do take your bulk orders for your stores, for your showrooms. So quickly stock your sarees up in your showrooms from Vastranand right now. You have the contact number on your screen. Quickly give us a call. Here is the blouse. Now, here comes the next color, which is gonna be pink. Now, actually, we have two pinks. So, I'll show both the pink colors together first and then we'll open it one by one. So, these are the two pink shades that you get in this catalog. This one is gonna be a darker pink, which is a Rani pink. And this one is gonna be a lighter pink shade and little bit towards neon side. So, these are the two pink shades that we are having. Let us open the darker pink first. Okay. So, here it is. Here's your heavy, rich pallu. Moving ahead, this is the pink shade. So, if there are girls who love pink shades, you can for sure check this catalog because we have two pink colors in this one. And then here comes your blouse material. Also, oh my god, I have a lot to say. Every time I speak a lot, but yes, it's important, right? So, what was I saying? Yes, I was saying that whenever you place your order, we dispatch your order within 24 hours. Now, be it retail, be it wholesale, we dispatch it within 24 hours, which is great. Obviously, cases are a little different when you have an extreme bulk order, wholesale order. That time it might be a little different, but most of the times, maximum of the times, we deliver, like we dispatch within 24 hours, and then it takes 7 to 10 working days for you to receive your order. All right. So, opening this one, which is the second pink shade. Okay, now this is tricky. So, here is going to be your rich pallu in this particular color. Moving ahead, here it is. A brighter, lighter pink shade with very good fabric quality. Look how soft this is. And then, here comes your blouse material. A lovely heavy blouse material. Moving on to the last color of this catalog. Let's open this, which is going to be green shade. So, well, in this entire catalog, we have just one green color. Here comes the pallu. And this is the entire look of the saree. Well, here comes the blouse, and with this, we are at the end of this video. To all the people who have been with us from the starting till the end of the video, thank you. Loads of love from Vastranand and from Rachna. Now, if you've been till the end, do not forget to like the video, share the video, and subscribe to our channel. This is me, Rachna. See you soon. Bye-bye.